Hello everybody, welcome to another Splatty video.
Yeah.
And in this episode we are going to be drawing a rhinoceros.
Oh.
A rhino.
Yeah.
Yeah, rhino is short for rhinoceros.
Yeah.
Okay, so we begin.
Yeah.
We're gonna begin with the eye, okay?
Mhm.
So, you got yours ready?
Yep.
I'm going to draw a little circle.
A little circle.
It's my eye. Make a little reflection inside there.
Yeah.
And draw the pupil around that reflection. Got it?
Got it.
And now we color that in, the little pupil. You got that eye?
Yep.
So now I'm gonna make a, like that. And it's not an eyebrow, it's just the ridge of the eye.
Yeah.
Then above that, just to the left side above that, I'm going to draw a little curved line there.
Yeah, I don't know what that's for.
Yeah, I'll show you what it's for. And I draw a slightly wider one there as well.
Okay.
You got yours? Okay, you got yours. Now, we are drawing a short line there and a short line there. This is going to form his horn.
Oh.
So, just two short lines. But because, you know, we've had cold weather, it's winter time now. Our rhino is going to be wearing a little beanie on his shorter horn.
Oh.
So, you close that line up.
Close that line up.
You go over and curl back like that.
Okay.
And we draw a line down. We make a little band there.
Yeah.
And that's a beanie on his little horn.
Yeah.
And for this one, we're going to draw the bigger horn. Into the curved shape.
Yeah, we almost look like short.
Okay. So now, from this little horn, we're going to go up till there. Yep.
So here.
Just leave a gap there.
Okay.
So we continue there. You see it? So bring down a cheek.
Okay.
And from here, we draw another little line and we go this way and we draw till there.
Okay.
And now, look here, from here, we draw a smile. And now, we draw the line up to his head, up to his nose. Yep. Now, triangle, nostril. Low down, along closer to the lip. Yeah.
Oh
And-
no!
Oh, it's fine. He's got a different nostril.
Yeah.
So this side, I'm gonna draw an ear.
Ear. Oh no, I'm not better on it.
And another ear this side. Now I'm gonna fold that detail in, you know, like we usually do the inside of the ears. And on the other side as well.
Continue.
So now, 3 small bumps.
Like 3 more.
No, smaller. Okay, yes, that's okay. You can use just the one. You're gonna see it's gonna be, because this rhino is wearing a scarf. It's cold, remember? So we're going down here. Hanging for by his neck. And we go throw square. And then up until his chin and that line there.
Okay.
That's the scarf going the other way and the scarf comes down here as well. And the scarf is hanging in front of him.
Okay.
skin, the other part of the scarf.
Okay.
Now, one hump,
One hump.
a bit of a hump, not a big hump. And now his back leg coming down. See his butt.
Yeah.
Now, down here by the scarf. Rhinos, you see rhinos, they have very flappy skin, so it's like folding here into his skin, and then the top of his leg.
Okay.
Just draw a line over there. Let me see. That's right. So the side, that part of the line. Can you see his two legs forming there now? That's his thighs. So now the front one, we draw another line and we draw down, and we make a little foot. And we take it back up.
Yeah.
And we make toenails.
And a toenail that like hippo.
And we come down and make another foot here.
Okay.
And we go back up and complete that leg. You got it? So now we draw a belly line.
My belly line.
And we can add a tail.
Now I add the tail.
So this side we mimic that line. We follow that line just to add the other leg on the other side. Can you see it? And we do the same up here. We draw that flappy fold there.
Really?
And we go down this way. And there we go. So now we have a rhino with a scarf and a beanie on. Your rhino head is big. Okay, so we're gonna color them in soon.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want another go, or do you want me to help you along? You want to try it again?
No.
Nope. Okay.
Yeah, it's super funny.
He's a super funny rhino.
Yeah.
That's right. You always complete your drawings. You know why you complete your drawings?
To that, it's all about art.
It's just about art, but you always complete your
Yeah.
drawings so that you have something to compare your next drawing to. So if you had to draw this dinosaur again, the rhino again, then you can improve on him by looking at this one and trying to make it better. So you always finish your drawings. So I'm just adding some details to my scarf here. And that's how you improve. You look at your old drawings and you try to make it better. So that's why you always need a starting point, and that's why you always finish your first drawing. There we go. And rhinos are very creasy on their skin, so I'm going to add some creases.
And then I'm gonna add mine.
Yep. And we both have a rhino.
Yep.
Are we going to color now?
Yep.
Yep. Did you know that rhinos, they actually have very bad eyesight? So you should always stay away from them because they'll charge at anything.
Yeah.
Even cars. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's color. Which color is your rhino going to be?
Gray to that.
Okay, you go gray.
Rhino would be gray.
Are we gonna speed? We're gonna speed this part of the video up.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going with the gray.
I'm going to gray too.
Okay. And we don't have much of a choice on this one. The rhinos are generally gray. You do get some brown color ones, but this rhino, I think gray is fine for him.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm almost done with my bit. Let's see, what are you doing now?
Color.
The inside of his ears. I'm going for the scarf.
I'm
Adding-
going to scarf too.
Adding a nice blue to my scarf. My beanie is red, my little beanie.
And so I add the little brown at rhino tail.
Okay, and we're done.
Yep.
As Faiz said, his one is the super funny rhino, and I have the regular looking rhino.
Yeah.
So you can write super funny on yours. Can you spell? Can you write super funny?
Yep.
Okay, let's see this. Yours is funny. Mine is serious.
Yeah.
He's not serious. He's got a smile on his face, so he's not serious. Okay. So there you have it, everybody. That's our 2 rhinos. And remember, like I said earlier, always complete your drawings like Izzy did now. So you have a starting point for your next drawing. The next time Izzy draws a rhino, he knows that he can make him maybe a little bit fatter. He can maybe make his horn a bit pointier. He can always improve on his first drawing.
Yep.
So always complete your first drawing. No matter what you are drawing, finish the first one.
Yep.
That's good advice, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So now next time you know how to draw your rhino better.
Yeah.
Exactly. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe. Be good.
Have fun.
Bye.
Bye.